2, 3, cut! I'm not loud enough to talk without the mask, so I have to take it off so you can hear me. Stay 6 feet away from me. But anyway, I want to say a big shout out to all the people involved. I have to echo the facilities team. They've been phenomenal. So another round of applause for them. Y'all are the best in getting this done. And then probably the team that I think is most important are the people in the blue scrubs right here. If it weren't for them and their support and what they do, we wouldn't be able to do any of this. But it took everybody, the doctors, EVS, everybody focused. Tiffany with the vision, working with Charlie and figuring out a way financially to be able to do it. If our community has a gastrointestinal problem, we can take care of them in this system with the great doctors and the great people that we have on staff here. And to be able to put equipment like this in Ocean Springs, the best. There's nowhere in the region better than here to get taken care of whatever you need. And it really punctuates our core value of quality is in our DNA. It's all about quality, high quality healthcare. And Tiffany hit the nail on the head. Improve health and save lives. That's our mission. And thanks to everybody's hard work here, we're able to do that today.